How to remove archive box from top of WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp. Sign in to your account and make sure your app is up to date. As you can see, we can see the archive box at the top of WhatsApp. First of all, let me demonstrate by archiving a particular chat. Press and hold a particular chat and then tap on archive icon at top right. And then you can easily open archived where you can see all your archived chats. Simply tap three dots at top right. Go ahead and tap archive settings and make sure that you turn off the button for keep chats archived. Come back and when you see your home screen, we no longer see the archive box at top of WhatsApp. In this way, you can successfully remove archive box from top of WhatsApp. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.